All right, today I'm going to show you how to wash a yoga mat inside of a washing machine. Here is my washing machine right here, front loading washing machine, big drum in there. I'm going to show you how to wash it. Now, some of you may be afraid of washing your yoga mat because you've been told that you shouldn't. Now, well, if you know yoga mats, you know them well enough, you know a quality yoga mat can actually handle the washing machine. I have a Lululemon yoga mat right here, which I'm going to put in here. And I'm going to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the type of detergents that I put in there. And one of them is absolutely a game changer. Trust me on this one, okay? So I have all of my yoga stuff down here. I'm going to go ahead and put the yoga mat inside of the washing machine. And when I put it in, make sure that it's not all rolled up. You just see how it is right here. Just take it like this and just push it in there, you know, like that. Okay, you see it's inside of the washing machine. And me, because I'm kind of just like, okay, throw everything inside the washing machine, I'm going to throw in my yoga clothes, sweaty yoga clothes, towels in there as well. So it's important to note that the washing machine is not overloaded, okay? It's not overloaded. All right, so I have this in here. Then I'm going to get the detergents and show you what I do in order to get it smelling fresh and clean. All right, so now that I have in there, I have something down here. Now, this is part of the game changer. This is part 1 of 2 of the game changer. This is called a enzyme laundry booster. All right, so this right here, enzyme laundry booster. What this does is has enzymes in it, which breaks down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, okay? All of that stuff that has been soaked inside of your towel and inside of your yoga mat, it dissolves it in here. It says it's formulated for deep clean. All right, so I'm going to go in here and I am going to get a scoop of this. Okay, so I have a scoop of this, and I generally try to put 2 scoops, maybe a third in there. Okay, let me go ahead and get the scoop in there. 2 scoops because that last one was just a half. All right, so I have the scoops in there. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and add the detergent. So that you add the enzymes directly to the drum, okay? Now you want to go ahead and do that, okay? You don't add it into the detergent part. You just add it directly to the drum. It's on the close. So once I have that in there, I'm going to go ahead and shut the door. Then I'm going to get my detergent. The detergent I like to use is Parasil. Parasil Advanced Clean. And so what I do is just add detergent as normal. Don't add too much because we have enzymes, and enzymes does a lot in there to break it down. So I add a little bit of that in there, okay? And then also, this is part 2 of the game changer right here, is I use vinegar. Now I add vinegar to the rinse or to the fabric softener area of it. Just put a little bit of it in there. To the fabric softener. All right, and then once I've done that, go ahead and close the drawer. And then I come down here, I turn it on. And when making your selection, you could either do, if you have a bedding option, I would go with that, or a heavy duty if you want to go with that. Now, what I tend to do with this, I always have an extra rinse because you want to rinse out all the detergents. And even after I've done this, I might go ahead and do another rinse cycle through this just to make sure everything is rinsed out. I do that extra spin as well. Make sure we get all the stuff out of it. And then when it comes to temperature, because you put enzymes in there, you want to set it to warm because the enzymes work better under warm temperature and not hot. Okay, so you have that in there. So I have it in heavy duty. So you can do heavy duty, spin all of this. And once you have it in there, go ahead and start it. And I'm going to show you after this cycle is done, I'm going to show you the rest of the process of washing the mat. So now I'm going to go ahead and start it and get this going.